How to unmute someone on Instagram. Hi guys, let's get started. To unmute someone on Instagram, first open the Instagram application on your device. And now go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile. And from the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you land on the settings page, tap on Privacy and then scroll down and select Muted Accounts. There you'll see a list of accounts that you have muted. Now find the account that you want to unmute and tap on it. Now select the following button right here, and from the drop-down menu select Mute, and from here you can simply toggle off the options. With this, they'll be unmuted. Once you have unmuted someone on Instagram, their posts and stories will start to appear in your feed again. If you had previously muted only their posts or only their stories, you'll need to repeat these steps to unmute the other content. So that's it. So this was a tutorial on how to unmute someone on Instagram. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.